Welcome everyone, how are you today? Scrembo here with another presentation on Storj price prediction for late 2023. Actually a couple of days left out of this year, so aiming to discover in a rational way what is happening with this crypto, which is about to take off. It is delivering huge volume, once again $250 million on the last 24 hours. So I wanted to share with you that after we just broke out, you definitely want to make sure that the space is doing the right actions. Therefore, the crypto has been around in the past two bull markets, in 2021 and 2018, is a crypto that not only survived, but it actually delivered, and it still delivers products. At the end of the day, when you talk about a space of crypto, a bunch of the people consider that it's just about speculating around numbers, and cryptos have no utility at all at any levels. Now, that's obviously impossible to consider it as a fact. But at the same time, there's cryptocurrencies that have no utility, which do not mean that every single crypto is backed up by nothing. Obviously, there's many projects out there, and the majority of them are having a lot to offer to the space. As well, they're already participating in the offline or online market quite aggressively with their products, delivering and having advantageous situations out there by being part of a technology which is working fine. So Storj Crypto right here on the charts. We're going to talk about it today from the price section. Before we get into, for those of you that are looking forward to see daily price predictions and 100 episodes of price predictions for 2024, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit that like button, as well as ask me any questions in the comments area, guys. At the same time, you can participate in my trades. There is a BTC short right now that we have opened. It's $45,000 profit on it. On the Bybit, we have basically a short started at 42,361 with a price action sitting on 41,000 at the moment. It is quite great. For those of you that would like to join my trades, this is my spreadsheet. Option number 1 comes with no prior fee, only commission based on pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you through API trading permission. Option number 2 is a monthly fixed fee, where you execute the signals and handle the process by yourself. We just send you the signals on what to do and when to do and how to do. So it's pretty much up to you. Option number 1 comes with a commission to be paid by you based on profit every 7 days, guys. I'm going to talk about it at the end of the video, including around the one-on-one coaching program for serious people which are looking to become financial free when the bull market ends. So Storj Crypto right here, price prediction for late 2023. What's going on in this market? Well, when you speak about a crypto that has been successfully climbing so quickly out at levels that were very, very dangerous, it is just a great time. The number one thing is that we have been through the accumulation stage, and you have the supply zone of the accumulation stage top, which is this one. Right, the supply zone is anywhere between 45 cents up to 50 cents. It has been rejecting the markets quite a few times very aggressively and efficiently, forming even double troughs or market structures of parallel bodies that ended basically in massive sellouts. For example, this one generated 46% at the time we had touched. Back in the day, from the body of the candlestick generated 61% when we have touched. Now, something has changed when we have touched this for the last time in a efficient way for the bears, is that we have been confirming on the resistance, but then we got also the confirmation of 200 days moving average, which is the massive bullish sign out there appearing for Storj cryptocurrency. That was actually the time you guys could have considered this is a perfect entry for long, and from that moment it has printed 181% in 60 days. Much better than a bunch of cryptos out there from the popular altcoins. Of course, I'm not saying to put them in comparison due to the fact that there are differences between altcoins at a large scale. However, 181% in a crypto that has survived in the last two bull markets along the way with their bear markets as continuation phases of cycles is basically something that is considered value. Now, when it comes down to the situation of the breakout, we've been actually performing it quickly and promptly as it's needed with heavy volume, because otherwise it's basically just tweaking around and dying around, which is not going to make it through, and having the continuation out of the golden pocket as well, straight into the upper supply level, which is no longer part of the accumulation stage. This supply level, we have it around the dollar mark, is actually the time that is basically allowing Storj cryptocurrency to enter in a bull market phase, especially with the ability to continue higher and dive into the accelerated phase of the bull market from the technical side. Now, that being said, we got a couple of confirmations, especially on the 50 days moving average over there. So things have played out and they've looked very, very well, guys. Back in the day, especially in October, November has been already a time for Storj with some great pumps happening around, and the market was already shifted to quite high levels. But the big deal has been going around October, when you've been forming moving averages healthy and correctly by creating the golden breakout. So the whole picture basically looks great. Now, there's one thing that we must consider at the end of the day is how BTC is going to create and shape the environment around for the upcoming months, which will also impact this altcoins as well, their markets. What do I consider for is basically the 1.272 and 1.414 for the time. That is a great extension level between 1.25 up to 1.40s. As well, you can wick into the $1.5 by hitting the 1.618 extension on the Fibonacci. These are the levels I actually care about when I consider Storj for the moment. We also have a massive top hiding right there, and that's terrible to face with. That's quite of a difficult situation to deal with. Now, that's pretty much all where we are. In any form, the great shape is gonna still be respected. There is support appearing in these weeks, which have been printed in the past as well on a great order block structure over there. So any form of retracement basically should face a support level from the previous major supply as well. Even slightly below reactions should appear. Basically, the area is filled up around $1 or 90 cents with greatness. That's it on the topic, folks. Once again, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a good time enjoying it. And make sure you are blessing your whole times as we are getting through holidays very soon, folks. Once again, if you'd like to be part of the trades, you can definitely do it. Option number 1 is no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made. You can ask me questions on the topic, you can jump on a quick call, you can complete a form or contact me basically. All the links are in the description area or in the comments area of this video. At the same time, if you are serious about the crypto space, if you think it could have a positive impact, then you have to do it professionally or at least correctly, which means you need to know how to trade this picture out. Whether you are a day trader or a swing trader, or a full-time trader, or a guy that is doing it part-time by having other things, you definitely want to invest in your education and do it properly. The best investment, anyone says it, is basically in your education and skills, which are always delivering you a lot more. Now, this is not obviously a material thing. This is a thing that can produce you a better outcome and a much more positive margin. So this is a coaching program, like I said, one-on-one with me live, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade, walking you through the process of the entire trading in terms of what does it need for someone to be a trader, starting from the mindset, psychology, into the charts, understanding the language of the market, knowing what does it speaks to you, and knowing how to react to that. What strategies, indicators, and I am sharing with you my screen and pretty much presenting you step by step. As well, it's a very, very engaged form of coaching where you ask me questions, we talk about it, we explain, and we detail the things, including the third stage where we proceed towards the live trading and perform on the markets, which is basically testing the real side of the things. Now, it's a complex coaching with everything you need in order to know how to trade. As well, lifetime support at the end of it on the email, and it's a very, very professional approach, one-on-one on Zoom conversations. Register now to find out more, check the video for a detailed explanation, and jump on a free call if you think so. Have a good time, folks. We'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.